Hi everyone! Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Pod, and I have two special guests, my granddaughters,
Kinley and Cameron.
And we are going to make pendants out of their drawings.
I'm making a giraffe. I'm making a fox.
And then
I got her one, yay!
The kids got to work creating their drawings, and once they were finished with their drawings, I made them use a black marker so they'd have a nice strong line for the laser.
So Kinley drew,
A giraffe.
and Cameron drew,
A fox.
and we are going to now put these in the computer, in the program, and I'm going to carve them out on a stainless steel pendant. So this is a great way for kids to use their artwork and turn it into like a memory, and we're going to do a necklace, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Once I had everything done in the computer, I put the stainless steel pendant into the laser. You'll notice I put painter's tape over the pendant, and that's because it is a shiny metal and I didn't want the laser shining back at itself. So putting the painter's tape on there allows it to engrave into the metal. And then all you have to do is peel it off after.
Oh, there's green tape stuck on there. How will we make this into a necklace, Oma?
We're going to put it on a chain.
Whoa.
Very good question.
So this is just like a charm?
Right, exactly.
Oh.
Very good.
It's going. See that black? It's going. It's cool. Do you see the ears?
Now we're doing Cameron's pendant, and we sped it up so you can see it. And on the front is the fox, and on the back she wrote her name and the year so they would remember when they did it. It's really easy to peel the painter's tape off after. There's little pieces, so you might need to use your fingernail to just help get it off a little bit. But it comes off easy and really pretty. And if you wash it up and shine it up after, it's perfect.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Here's the front side.
Oh, so cute. Do you love it?
So Cameron, we're gonna put the chain. And now we need to just open it. Here's the chain. And then
Okay. You got it. The pendants are done, and these turned into
the pendant.
the pendants. So it's a great way to turn a kid's artwork into a great memory, or in this case, a souvenir that they can take home. Right? What do you girls think?
Good. I love it. I love it too.
There's the front of Kinley's. And then that's the back. And I had just ordered some stainless steel chains and put them on there. And now they look great. And then here's Cam's. She drew a fox. And then show the back. And then we got the name and the year.
They're so cute and fun, and I was so lucky to have time to spend with them and to make this really cool project. So hopefully it's a good memory for them, and it's a fun souvenir to take home and keep. And it's a great way to preserve artwork. You don't have to stick it in a box. It's like wearable art.
We'll see you next time. And remember, life's too short not to shimmer. So grab your glue gun and your
glitter.
Yay! We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.